or what would even be cooler, is if our bedroom were underground, like in the basement, so to speak, and or whatever room, and then instead of it being an aquarium, it's actually like a pool. You remember those 70s bars where the girls could swim behind the bar?
So yes, so maybe on that
like
same
a full
note,
fucking reef.
we have. I don't want that for my bedroom personally.
Right, it's the family room, where the
Well, I was thinking, it could be one of the rooms, right? But we have like a giant column of the thing that runs through the whole house, so you can have the tops and the bottoms, and then underneath it there is a room that you can kind of
go under it,
yes.
Under the aquarium.
Yes. Maybe with a couple of beds, like a.
That'll be our sexy place.
I was gonna say maybe, or even a guest bedroom would fit in, because I know Charlie and you are gonna want to sleep down there all.
Sure, but we better do some serious love making down there.
And then we'll have to have a diver come in.
Yeah. Or whatever, we'll dive.
That's a good point.
Okay, so it's not subterranean, but it's in the center of the house and it's accessible from our rooftop deck.
I don't know about that because accessible. Yeah. Sorry, I thought you meant like the column goes up because I didn't want to heat up the water or whatever. I suppose. That would work.
I'm sure our technician will be able to.
Yeah.
Not to mention we can have some device that heats or cools the water, whatever exact temp we want.
Yes. That's going to have to be locked with like biometrics access to that thing, because I don't want our kids thinking it'd be so cool to go there. So knows how to do it.
Oh yeah, we lock it with padlock. It wouldn't use biometrics on saltwater, but absolutely it can be locked. Obviously, we'll have to have several people like hired to come and maintain it for us. Not a multi-million-dollar tank.
Definitely see our kids. We have. Let's look at the sharks. I'm going to show you. And then.
Whatever. We're not putting in great whites. We're putting in docile sharks.
No, I'm not talking about like bear about some
drowning.
sharks. Right. Or like nerve sharks are going to. Right, you're drowning. That's the. Yes. Foot gets stuck somewhere, or they can't get back up, or something gets taken.
Yeah, that's fine. We can just have all access to the roof, frankly, locked. But you can't go up there without us. You can't go up there with friends, or you have to have a key.
Okay.
We're...
How long would it take for the Ramada to get built?
Not too long. It's actually easier to do than even finishing the drywall.
She's funny. That's how babies talk.
Yeah, so I gotta dig holes.
Yeah.
About as deep as we just dug today.
Yeah. Don't we have the thing? One of those things that allow you to dig holes that you just.
A post holder.
Yes.
No. Yes, we do. That is not appropriate for what we're doing here. I need to build a bigger one because I got a big concrete block that has a tie on it.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to bury most of it.
And if you don't, then I will figure out a way to grow moss on it.
No, I should be able to do this. Okay. And then from there I put the two beams going up, and I put the posts, and then the lintels I attach directly to the garage. I'll probably put a slight cant down, even though it's porous, so it doesn't matter for rain.
Yeah.
But or do you want to? I can do it perfectly flat. Perfectly flat might even look better with wisteria.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put it to just above the window.
Yes. the thick, the molding around the doors like we have it on the rest of the building?
Yeah. I'll put molding around them later. That's already part of the drywalling and finishing plan.
Okay.
I might not necessarily need to put it around the window, but I can.
So, things of
But,
masks.
yeah.